EA dan GA
Oh, okay. Biasa siapa ya? Bonnie kan? Bonnie yang tanya EA kan?
Bonnie EA, yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so nevertheless, ini Euro AUD ya. Okay, ini dalam weekly time frame. Boleh nampak screen ya?
Yes, boleh.
Okay, kita pergi dekat daily. I think we touch about EA for almost every week. Okay, so ada seorang viewer Bonnie, dia biasa tanya pasal EA. Okay, I think we talked about it since the high just now. Kalau tengok dekat ni, this move uh, I mentioned it on a bigger time frame is a sideways. Okay, because we don't have a clear picture on whether Euro going to make a breakout move ataupun Aussie going to make a breakout move. But nevertheless, this sideways will also still will give her opportunity, especially sell dekat atas ataupun dekat resistance, okay, and buy dekat support lah, okay. So, and also I also mentioned it last 2-3 weeks, we are trying to see a triangle ataupun pennant being formed. So the good opportunity sebab I think masa kita analisa we are somewhere dekat tengah-tengah ataupun previously also dekat tengah-tengah. So we said it is always better to try to sell dekat sini, buy dekat each of these trend line support that coming up lah. So as expected, EA okay is dropping because we mentioned it, Aussie will become a bit stronger, Euro a bit weaker, although both in a relative terms are equally ataupun moderately, both are equally weak ataupun strong at the same time ataupun after each other. Okay, so with that we are expecting this move. Okay, I'm expecting one maybe coming down here to bounce back ataupun come back here to bounce back. But with the current trend line, with just a purely more on the technical part, because fundamentally we are not seeing much news coming out on these two. Okay, so maybe come down. Okay, maybe a bit of a retracement. Probably come back, break this, and test this support clearly. Then move up, probably back again this. So this is a move I can only anticipate at this point, purely on the technical chart. Okay, fundamentally I cannot give much comment. Okay, sebab dua-dua ni sekarang ni almost both are equally weak at this point. Sebab sekarang ni is more of a US dollar ataupun sekarang ni particularly is more of a chef and JPY punya cycle ataupun trend. EA we probably see after these two cleared, then we probably see either Euro ataupun Aussie taking over. Okay, when I mean Euro ataupun Aussie, that is this ataupun GBP lah at this point. But at this point, it's more of these three currency punya play. But this doesn't mean EA on its own tak move atas ataupun ke bawah. They will still move depending which side is more stronger ataupun which side is more weaker. Okay, so the EA, this is a move I'm looking at it. It's purely more on the technical buy at support, sell at resistance, but resistance or support not necessarily is a horizontal resistance ataupun horizontal support. It can be on the trend line as well. So the confluence, okay, macam ni nampak macam horizontal and trend line. So this is a confluence zone. So similarly kat sini ada horizontal support and also a bit of a trend line. So this will be a good zone untuk buy. Okay, but again this will be a bit risky because there's a strong support kat sini. It can come down before it goes up. So this part I leave it to you guys to make your own judgment ataupun own entries. Okay, but it will be an initial zone to long, okay, but the best zone will be somewhere deeper down untuk buy ataupun to go long, and to short somewhere wait dekat sini lah. Okay pun, okay, just on
Okay,
GA.
terima kasih Cik
Ada
Rashid.
satu lagi kan?
Yes,
Apa
GA.
GA sekali kan? Okay.
Yeah.
So typically EA GA dia akan move in a similar direction. cuma dia punya quantum saja lain. So in this case kita nampak sebab GBP relatively still strong, okay. So that's why kita tak nampak dia punya pullback not as bad as siapa tu EA. So we are in this case GA, we are looking at maybe a bit up and then down, up, this kind of a move. So GBP is still a bit strong, okay. So tapi I'm still based on the purely technical, I'm still seeing maybe there's one more wave ataupun two more wave to come down, because kalau tengok kat sini dia macam move kat sini baru naik atas, okay. So but short term probably up, but then mid term maybe down, then long term up. So I'm looking at it something this move on GA. Okay, so GBP relatively stronger. So similar move, we are expecting AUD to take over sama macam EA, and then later part then only we see Aussie become weaker, and then EA and GA going up, okay, on a similar direction. Okay, Bun?
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So itu analisa untuk EA dan GA. So